Dah kecewa ni, banyak benda kecewa ni. Share keluar daripada live ni, okey? Jangan masuk live ni. Percakan dah, surat tu bukan Share bagi. Saya bagi dekat Share. Saya fikir-fikirkan surat yang dia bagi tu bagi dekat saya. Tapi dia tak bagi kat saya.
Gimana mau matador itu? Ano na yama to? Bising, udah na sorong yung lapara bali.
Bising ke? Okey, saya diam.
Warsi asirati.
Diorang bising. Itu kan rumah awak, bukan rumah saya. Saya tak orang ni. Rumah awak yang bising.
Mana yang sini?
Rumah awak yang bising. Rumah saya okey. Rumah tak ada orang.
Ay, susah.
Ya, rumah awak yang bising. Rumah saya tak bising. Mana ada orang? Dia bising. Oh, aku ingat.
Mana tadi? Tak nak balik. Kasi ko diga. Dia pasal siya malam pak. Uy, lati cool doon na. Jadi ko yan. Kami nyo tanga.
Oh,
Kami nyo yase. Tua tahu apa tu? Dia pergi.
Jaga diri. Abang tak tahu nak cakap macam mana, dik. Abang kalau buat tangan-tangan tak pandai. Abang satu tangan je tahu. Satu simbol je tahu. Kalau buat tangan bercakap guna tangan ni, satu simbol je abang tahu, bang. Dik, abang tak boleh nak tunjuk tangan berbeza nak buat apa. Abang tak berapa pandai. Tapi kalau satu isyarat tu abang pandai. Tapi abang tak boleh tunjuk lah, takut orang marah lagi. Cik dulu sebut. Oh iya ke? Saya tak tahu. Saya maafkan aku, oh kasih, oh sayang. Bukan, astagfirullahaladzim. Kanda tak pergi Bion ke? Kong jawab kong. Yang orang duk tanya tak pergi Bion tu. Kong tolong jawab kan, boleh tak kong? Saya ni duk ulang banyak kali pun penat juga. Kong jawab orang boleh ya bro? Try main punishment bang. Abang betul ni? Abang Khairul betul ni, Bang Khairul? Saya duduk main punishment sekejap lagi. Bawa dakai. Aduh, aku lah jumpa seorang ni korang. Aduh, dia ni pula dah. Tak ada diri. Kan dah tak datang Bion ke? Korang tolong jawab korang. Penat saya baca korang. Korang tolong jawab boleh tak? Tolong jawab. Fikirkan dah. Stop diskriminasi tuli. Stop diskriminasi tuli tu apa? Aduh. Invite tu akak. Invite saya kan dah. Invite lah artis bro. Naklah, saya orang biasa je. Takkan tu nak invite artis. Segan lah saya. Saya orang biasa. Takkan saya nak invite artis. Saya malas, malu sikit. Saya seorang yang pemalu. Saya tak boleh nak invite orang yang ada nama, ada apa. Tak boleh, saya segan. Teka-teki lah kan dah. Dah semalam is semalam. Mana Nisa ada kat dalam bilik dia?
Gracias. Buenos días, ahora estamos tranquilos, chicos.
Amangos.
Sean serios cuando...
Sean serius kan? Kau belah tu sean serius kau. Saya dah kecewa ni, banyak benda kecewa ni. Share keluar, Share. Share keluar daripada live ni, okey? Jangan masuk live ni, keluar. Jangan masuk live ni, keluar. Tak begini ke? Tak nak. Keluar. Tok Tuli sakit hati ni. Sakit hati ni. Dah cukup. Keluar. Benda dah sakit dah. Dah. Percakan dah, surat tu bukan Share bagi. Saya bagi dekat Share. Saya fikir-fikirkan surat yang dia bagi tu bagi dekat saya. Tapi dia tak bagi kat saya. Saya ingat surat tu Saya dapat surat daripada dia. Bukan. Saya duk bagi surat dekat dia. Rupa bukan surat daripada dia. Syok sendiri kena. Ya. Yang nak tanya macam tu. Disebabkan macam tu, saya akan nyanyi lagu sedih. Sebabkan apa yang berlaku tu, saya akan nyanyi lagu sedih. Sakitnya hati ni, dengarkanlah Mungu. Suatu malam ada bercerita, awalnya tak lagi di jalur yang sama. Bicara gila, tak masuk logika, temanggu hatiku. Abang Khairul sedap ke? Abang duk bagi kampas tu sedap ke apa? Abang Khairul itu kira sedap ke kira suruh berhenti ke macam mana tu? Itu kira macam memang sedap ke berhenti dia bang? Saya tak tahu ni. Abang bagi suruh berhenti ke memang betul-betul sedap? Abang? Bang? Itu suruh berhenti ke memang betul-betul sedap tu? Tolong komen bang. Tolong komen bang. Betul ke suruh berhenti ke memang betul-betul sedap tu? Nyanyi lagi kan dah. Sedap punya. Aku mati-mati ingat suara aku tak sedap. Rupanya ada orang appreciate suara aku. Terima kasih bang. Abang Khairul. Kalau mata telah menghunuskan hati, pulang jadi hal yang dengan sederhana di tengah gempitan. Okey kan dah buat saya kena lena malam ni. Ya ke bang? Terima kasih bang. Bila waktunya langit memanggilmu, jangan kau risau, semesta bersamamu. Terima kasih bang untuk rezeki hari ni. Saya sangat appreciate sangat apa yang abang bagi. Tahu? Okay? Appreciate. Kerana stop. Kau nampak tak? Tadi Syah cakap tak nak keluar, dia keluar je. Okay? Saya pejamkan mata menghayati. Terima kasih. Itu yang saya paling nak sekali sambil awak menghayati. Okay? Menghayati je tau. Jangan lebih-lebih. Saya ada nanti ada perasaan. Tak boleh macam tu. Awak siapa?
Katakanlah cintamu, inginkan diriku.
Halo.
Where you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Di sini. Ada si malu lah. Malu lah. Tak nak lah. Tak sedih lah kan dah. Kena pergi umrah kan dah. Tapi di sini. Invite pula aku terinvite orang pula dah. Asal pula aku terinvite orang naik ni. Abang terima kasih tau. Semoga murah rezeki selalu lagi. Semoga dipanjangkan umur, sihat tu Adam, jaya dunia akhirat. Terima kasih. Eleh malu pula tidur lena lah malam ni. Abang duk pagi. Terima kasih ya.
Hello.
Ya, hello.
How are you, Kandakan? How are you?
What's my name?
What country are you?
I'm Malaysia.
Malaysia, are you single?
Yeah, single.
Yeah.
Ya, memang seronok. Jangan gegar je, tolong dah. Seronok tak apa, jangan bergegar je, tolong dah. Apa dia?
I'm a single girl. I'm very single.
Dia cakap bahasa apa ni? Why? I'm not understand.
You are sorry for me. You are sorry for me. You are insulting me, Abi. You are insulting me. You are insulting me. Do you know me before?
Slow. I can't understand. What?
Why are you sorry for me? Why are you insulting me? Why are you cursing me? Tell me about Gesha. Oh, let's show you ready. Huh? Oh yeah, you know what? Let us play one match. I want to beat your life.
Okay. We PK, better. If I lose punishment, what punishment if I lose?
If you lose, my punishment will be kept to me. Okay?
If I lose, what punishment?
My punishment will be kept to only me. Only me. If you lose the match, I will punish you on my own. Don't ask me the punishment. Okay?
If I win, you have punishment.
Yes, you will punish me. Anything you want, I will do it.
Yes. I like it. Let's fight.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Yes.
Let's do it. Guys, everybody, na no go laugh you.
Touch screen.
Na no go laugh you. Eba mi share life. Guys.
Tunjuk korang, saya tak boleh terima korang daripada tadi. Waktu dia cakap Malaysia kan, dia semua single je. Ya, lepas tu dia bergegar macam tu. Saya jaga mata korang. Saya tak boleh nak tengok lah korang. Betul satu lagi korang ni cerita jujur korang. Dia memang jenis pakai perempuan, memang jenis suka pakai lipstick dua korang. Satu merah, satu hitam korang. Jadi dia pakai dua colour memang suka pakai dua colour perempuan Atau dia seorang ni. Korang kali tiga kan.
Skip task 2.
Korang kali tiga kan. Korang kali tiga kan. Boleh deh.
Skip task 2. Please now. Guys, do
Aku ni kalau
something
tampar
now.
ni hilang kau punya lipstick hitam tu. Jujur aku
Skip
cakap.
task 2.
Kau ni kali tiga kan. Kali tiga kan. Mana kau? Kali tiga kan. Tolong kau kali tiga. Kau kali tiga kan. Kau kali tiga.
I love you. God bless.
Jadi dia dah start buat
What is going?
dia lepas buat muka-muka sedih dia. Sabar lah. Kau jangan buat muka sedih boleh bro. Tampak muka kau iya. Yang dia buat muka-muka sedih je. Kau kena kalah ni. Kau tunggu punishment aku bagi sekali.
Why are you shit by now? Just one game and done. Just one game and done, bro.
Tumpah akak. Saya tak faham akak cakap apa. Akak cakap bahasa Melayu boleh tak? Loh, mana saya faham?
You don't guess what now? This is something you can win now. Don't this
win
fucking
pula.
10 points.
Apa masak? Ini kalau aku dekat dia aku tarik kamu depan kau. Jujur aku cakap dengan kau ni. Duk tarik, duk pusing-pusing. Dia makan sirih ke tu? Tak tahulah. Abang, tapi terima kasih abang tau. Murah rezeki abang. Semua rezeki selalu tahu. Okey. Lawan berkerut kening tu kena. Tahu sampai ke kepala berkerut tu aku nampak tu. Dia marah tu. Mana ada. Kau boleh ni, boleh. 5 minit sikit lagi. Tengok apa tu? Tengok apa?
There's no game we know. Don't lose game. If my flight not there yet, we don't fit play game. We not fit play and win a game. We cannot just play and win a game. We cannot play and win.
You must do my punishment, okay? Tebal betul bulu kening ni kan. Bukan bulu kening, itu rambut dia. Itu rambut dengan bibir. Aku confused Saya pun confused mula-mula kan.
Look at what you just pulled up. Took a point.
Dia kata kalau
on triples.
Suruh telan sirih. Abang, dia duduk luar negara. Mana ada sirih-sirih pun tak tahu bang. Abang ingat dia duduk ni je. Batu kek tu. Bang maaf asal tadi. Abang maaf asal saya dikabar saya minit.
Just try.
Tarik ke kadang please mute kena. Aku penat lah.
This is poor. This is very poor. I'm disappointed. I'm really disappointed. This is very, very poor. Oh, poor gidi gan. Very, very poor. Very fucking hell. Because I don't even play match every fucking time. Just one and done. This might even be my match for today. Just one and done. And to let pull up.
Yeah. We do another match.
Just one and done.
No.
I don't do it for 4 hours. Just one and done. They're pulling how many coins on me.
Give I top first. I'm top.
Shut up your mouth. Keep quiet. Are you mad? Are you foolish?
No.
And then vex, so when you came to me, I don't vex you. What? You they mad? You they crazy? I'm gonna shut up, that. Also, what do you pull? What do you pull? not even beat me. But you know, tell me your battle on the live stream, and where can you only pull up on it? How many that they do normal? So if you're not there yet, you're not even pull up. Just even try. Just even try. If you're not there, then there is nothing.
Apa pula gay? I'm not gay. Okay, like this. We have another match, but you do punishment first.
What punishment?
Punishment like this. We do acting. You know acting? Acting?
I'm not in Malaysia. I'm not your country. So please speak English that I can understand. What I will know. What I go understand. Don't be sheer. But let me swear for your papa. Okay?
Asal main bapak pula ni. No, you know role play. We do a role play.
Okay, we are hearing you.
We do acting like I'm. Give me talk.
Bunch of I never shop. Bunch of I need them. I want Pombi. Not team. How would they team up?
No dancing.
What is it? What's the wrong? Talking now.
You shut up. Give me talk.
I should give you words.
Yeah, stop it. You shut up. Shut up first.
I know you're talking. I'm not in your country. I don't understand you now. I'm Yoruba from Nigeria. You are from Malaysia. I don't understand you. Oh yeah, sorry. Piane. What do you say?
Okay, like this. We do acting, role play. I want to go to ghost house. You know ghost house? Ghost, you know ghost? And then you close your lamp. And then you do it. You scare me.
Okay, I will do horror movie.
10 times.
Horror movie for you.
Horror movie. 10 times.
Okay,
let's go. Wait. I play a song. No, close your lamp.
I should close my name.
Yes. Ghost.
How will I close my name? I don't understand you. How will I close my name? Which name would that? Are you okay? How would I close my name?
Close your lamp. Switch off your flight.
I understand you. Why I go close my name?
There is a punishment.
Okay, I should off my lights.
Yeah.
I'll do horror movie for you.
Close.
No go see me now.
We want to do a role play. Okay, listen me, okay? We want to do a role play. I'm a human and then walk.
I'm beautiful for horror movie now.
I walking and then something come to me, ghost, and then it scare me.
All of you will now want me to be doing ghost movie, ghost actor. You want me to turn to ghost on TikTok? You people want me to be suffering. Okay, no wala. I go do one.
Turn off your light. Hello? Who am I? Where I am? Saya di mana ni?
Hello, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, stand by behind. Okay, stand by. Who's there? One. Your face. Your face. Open your face. Yes. I like that. Yes, open your face. Yes. Four. Open your face.
I'm tired. You want kidding? Which kind of zombie like this? Just zombie they open wide. Zombie they show face. I'm gonna kill your papa.
Yeah, show your face. Show your face.
Zombie they show face.
Show your face.
Zombie they show face. I don't show my face.
Show your face.
I'm scary. My face is beautiful for a zombie. You're mad.
Show your face.
Continue. Mo ti ṣe yọ̀ọ́ gbàgbé mo ti bá rock bẹ́ẹ̀sì play TikTok match mo kú o. I won't terrify your papa. Your life. Oh, you want by me more? See. You want me to terrify you, eh? Want me to go Africa terrifying? Let me do it for you. You'll be terrified. Let me play our sound for you.
Okay, play your sound. Play sound. Okay, play your sound.
Okay, I will come. Now go. Let I terrify you in African way. Okay?
Okay, do it. I want to see.
Okay, I will come. Let me play my JB hair. Let me play. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, come.
Sekali je okey sampai ulang kau.
What now? I'm gonna tell you. Why the mad?
Do okey 60 kali sebut okey.
I'm not terrified you. I'm scared. I'm the one scared. I'm scared for my life. Now me they fear. I not do again. I not they think I'm an African girl. And I me they fear. I not do again. I not do.
When to do Smackdown. Ya, adakah? Adakah? Duk kena Smackdown ni. Kemudian